we've had enough time today. And okay, we have the market trade-off meter. The bodies are pretty much respecting this inefficiency. The wicks go back to this civvy that acts as an inversion fair value gap. And then we have this nice launch lower, disrupting all these relative equal lows here. We expand down through it, and then we trade back up to it, and it breaks lower, and then what does it do here? It disregards it. So now something has happened down here. So when you're looking at it spread out like it doesn't look so obvious, but when you do something like this, take a step back. This is something I learned from Larry Williams. If you feel like you're losing touch, zoom out or go to a higher time frame and step back away from your charts. Look at it from across the room, and you'll see that this looks very jagged. But when you're zoomed in real tight, it doesn't look jagged.